there! Are you living in a crazy, drama-filled life? Maybe you're anxious. Maybe you're overwhelmed. Maybe your tight neck and shoulders are driving you crazy. Or maybe you have illnesses and you don't feel like you're moving forward with life. Well, that's what happens to us in midlife. But I've found a fabulous technique that I think you're going to love. And I'm teaching it tomorrow night, Tuesday night, for free for the entire month of August. And I would love for you to join me. It's trauma-informed breath work. And what it does is it gets the issues out of your tissues. You know, those traumas, those dramas that you've lived through all your life, they don't go away. They stay in your tissues. And we breathe them out. And then we create a vision for what you really want for your life. It's so much fun. It's tomorrow night at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Or for those of you who, it might be today. I'm not sure when I'm going to get this out. I might get it out tomorrow morning. So it's Tuesday night, 5:30 Pacific Standard Time, and you can see it on Zoom, and we'll have some fun really getting through the breathwork exercise with ease, grace, and love, and bringing you to an amazing, balanced, marvelous you.